Welcome back to school, guys. This is Back to School Reactions, and we have pulled up on Seckond Chaynce doorknobs. This one is fairly new. I think it just came out, like, I don't know, a couple days ago. Yeah, October 4th. And I've really liked the Seckond Chaynce stuff I've heard, so I want to check this one out. I don't know what, like, I've heard some different styles from him, so I want to see where he goes with this, whether this is rap or what it is, whether it's singing or what it is. So we're going to jump into this, guys. This is Seckond Chaynce Doorknobs. If you're new to my channel, the way my channel works is I've been looking for artists and songs that I can bump in my truck like I did in high school. I'm doing it with your guys' help. I didn't even know who Seckond Chaynce was until somebody referred me to him, and then somebody told me in the comments that just a couple days ago that he just dropped this. So that's why we're doing it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification, go in the comments down below and recommend something for me to react to. Alright, take a look at my playlist. You know what I like, though. Alright? And so we're going to jump into this, guys. This is Seckond Chaynce. This is called Doorknobs.
No more. No more. No más te lo no trama. 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 Everything I have tried to do, anything I know how to make your summer rain go away, but it seems it's never enough.
Got a good singing voice.
Just complain, fussing, fight. I'm talking every day, morning, night. You say you're leaving for another that'll treat you right. Well, go on.
Beat it.
Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. I ain't dealing with your mess no more.
Oh, I kind of like this.
Tears out of tissue, all the years I've been with you. This time I think we made the right choice.
Oh yeah, this is one of them kind of like, okay,
the Lord God split you.
Ooh, I like this. This is one of them. Okay, fine, just go then. Just go then. Oh,
with your mess no more.
I like this.
I'm out of tears, out of tissue, all the years I've been with you. This time I think we made the right choice. Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. Hope you find what you're looking for. Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. I ain't dealing with your stress no more. No more. No más te lo 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 no more. Give me this, give me that, give me more. It's got me questioning what you're really in this for. Ain't bring nothing to the table, not a spoon nor fork. Am I wrong? I'll be real with me. Am I wrong?
Yep.
Beautiful, no debate. But your attitude really don't match your face. You say you're leaving for someone who'll put you in your place. Well, go on. Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. I ain't dealing with your mess no more. I'm out of tears, out of tissue, all the years I've been with you. This time I think we made the right choice. Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. Hope you find what you're looking for. Let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. I ain't dealing with your stress no more. I can't take it no more. No más, I can't take it no more. No más, I can't take it no more. No más te lo no more. No más te lo no more. Adios.
Hasta la vista, baby. Beat it. Adios. Nope. I dig that song, man. I dig it because it's like relatable. Like, I think most people can relate to that. At some point in time, you're with somebody, it's like, man, this is just more drama than this thing is worth, man. And then finally, just be, let the doorknob hit you where the Lord God split you. I like that a lot. It's a good song. It is. It's not. I was expecting a rap song or something, but that's a great song. I dig this. I dig this a lot. Tell me what you guys think of it. All right, and then make sure you drop a comment down below with something else for me to react to. Um, I dig it. I do. I really do. Tell me if you can relate to this. I think most of us probably can in one way or another. Whether it was an employee, a boss, a relationship, or whatever, you know. It's like I think most of us can relate to this. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya, you know. Oh man, that's a good song. I dig it. All right, you guys. As always, be healthy, be happy, be good to each other, and stay blessed. See you soon. Peace.